It's pretty good.
Yeah. Let's get Mike's picture.
Me with coffee.
Let's go for it.
Semi-sober.
Yeah.
Mostly disappointed. She used to be sober and disappointed. That would be like my title.
Sober and disappointed.
Sober and disappointed.
Yeah.
That's the title of that picture.
I can add that as the title. Sober and not happy about it.
Nobody likes being photographed these days. Everyone likes being on the internet.
Exactly. He said, yeah. In case Mike didn't pick that up, he said nobody likes being photographed these days, but everyone likes being on the internet.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is, but that's the truth. And it's tougher in Denver because there's not a ton of people, and so they see the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you lose the candid moment.
It's hard to do. It's hard to get real photos.
Yes.
Real people.
Right.
Yeah.
So yeah, like I usually keep it right here, you know. So if I was just walking by, I'd just shoot you like that.
Yeah. My friend used to take pictures of people coming off the bus.
Nice.
Yeah.
Just sit on the bus stop.
Yeah,
That's great.
Coming off the bus, because the steps are right there, just coming off.
Yeah.
They're all depressed from work or whatever, and they have their real faces on.
Yeah.
Because they're coming off the bus.
Right. That's a good. That's a beautiful
Yeah, he was good.
way to do it. I love it. I love photos like that where the guy's like, when they were looking out of frame.
Yeah.
Yeah, I try to get that a lot. I've only done like 2 of these longer videos. One where it's one at Red Rocks and one in Cheeseman early in the morning.
Yeah.
So there hasn't been a lot of people at either. But this one would be fun to get some. Like,
Cheeseman's good.
Cheeseman is good.
If it's sunny.
Yeah, so it was the thing was it was first thing in the morning.
Yeah.
And it was like a colder morning. So there's frost in the ground and stuff.
Okay.
That's a certain energy too. Yeah, it was mostly landscapes. Shadows of the trees, the light. A lot of good light. Yeah. A lot of good light. Can I take your photo? Can I take your photo?
It's
No?
a beaver.
Not interesting.
Yeah, it's obscene.
Beaver?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's obscene, just saying that. Here comes Beaver.
Here comes Beaver.
Yeah.
I know. He's talking to his wallet, it looks like.
Yeah, I know.
Beaver. Talking to your wallet?
Oh, I was talking to my friend. Man, what
phone.
y'all doing, man? Just taking what is it?
Yeah, it's like
Taking photos?
Taking photos?
reality.
Well, I was getting that work in.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go smoke some weed.
You wanna? Can I get your photo? Oh.
Bragging about it?
Just
What
in.
lens is that? Orange?
It's an orange filter.
What's that for?
So it's a black and white, and so the orange filter kind of like just makes the more contrast on the sky and shit like that. Yeah, makes certain colors pop a little more.
Yeah.
Yeah, not a huge noticeable difference, but not a huge one.
But you know when you see it,
Yeah.
you probably tell like, oh, he probably used that filter.
Yeah,
Like if you look at a bunch of black and whites, oh, he probably used that filter right there.
yeah, you can tell. I was looking at the side by sides online. I'm like, I like the orange.
Orange?
I'll use it.
It
Yeah.
doesn't come out like sepia, does it? Like oranges?
No,
Black?
no, I can throw that. I can throw that filter like digitally on. But
Okay.
yeah, it doesn't do that.
Okay.
With that, that would be nice though.
You know how it looks like, sunglasses be all orange and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little retro.
Yeah. All right, man. I'll be right back.
I'll see you back here. That's a fun shot.
Yeah. Yeah, Billy's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, that's fun.
He knows what he's doing.
He does. Can I take your photo? Oh, sorry. The door's over there.
Oh, that's right.
Sorry. Yeah.
Thank you.
They've,
James Draper.
James Draper. It's always fun to see him in the wild.
Gandalf.
Yeah, it's Gandalf. Young Gandalf, James Draper. Nice.
How are you guys?
Doing well, how are
Are you
you?
guys shooting something?
I am.
Sorry to bother you.
No, you're part of it now.
Oh, damn. Okay. Tag me in your reel then.
Yeah, dude. I'll tag you in the reel.
Mental note.
Mental note. Tag James reel. Can I take your photo? I'm just doing street photos.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate it.
We get a real dog.
That's nice.
Money to photograph that dog. It's $10 to photograph this dog, at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, it's $10.
$10. So I'm probably not gonna get a photo of that dog. Rather save the money. Oh, there's Dan and Gil. They just they found he texted me yesterday. They found a place in Denver.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
Yeah, they lived in someone's basement.
We gotta sit for now.
Hi, Mike Cabalino.
Hello.
What's up, Joe Sonic?
Hey, Dan. Hey, Gil.
Dude, I've never seen you in a light color jacket.
Oh, I know. This is like from work.
Dan.
That's cool.
Yeah,
Gil.
getting ready. Oh, this is like a new one. Not really a new one, but I noticed.
What? No smiling?
Check it out.
Models don't smile.
It's got a cool sound.
Do they?
Like I was always like, and I could never take anything serious. So like I'd always be laughing at something, and they're like, "Sam smiling." You're like, yeah, you know.
Right. All modeling.
Yeah.
All modeling.
Certified.
How are you?
Good. How are
Right
you?
off the rip, it lets you know. This is right
No,
on
no
the
place. I heard you found a place in Denver.
Yes.
Are you
Oh my God,
excited?
we just signed the lease
That
like,
was
just now.
Fuck
we just
yeah.
came.
Fuck
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Others?
It's like
It's awesome.
I don't know. It's not that far. It's like okay.
Fifth and Penn. Or Fifth and Penn?
Yeah. Like I think so.
Yeah. So he.
North Pennsylvania.
Yeah. So I'm like kind of near First and Penn.
Really?
Yeah. Just south of First and Penn. Yeah. So it's the neighborhood. It's nice.
I'm so excited.
I know. So when do you move in?
May 1st.
Nice. Oh, that's coming up. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Who even knows what money is now? That's
Venmo.
one of them
Take
cold hard
photos
facts.
Yeah, fuck cool.
Yeah. Well, I'm doing a video
Oh really?
where I do the little walkie-talkie. You hiding from the video? Okay. Theory. Where I like.
I love watching those.
Oh, cool.
I always wondered what you did, like if you just set up a tripod or someone like
Yeah.
filmed them with you.
Yeah, just set up the
I
tripod.
love watching those videos.
Fun.
And you like narrate them.
Yeah.
And you just like show your photography.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Just narrate. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. As I've learned how to do photography, I've watched other people's videos like that online. So it's just like kind of copying a format that exists and doing my own thing within it.
I love it. It's like adding videography and photography.
Yeah. It's just like there's something really fun about. I just like really like watching. You know, just someone, and then they take a picture, and then it snaps to the picture. Yeah.
It's like Marley and Stevens.
Yeah.
I wonder if Rockstar still exists.
They don't. You have to be
There's the camera tucked away.
Well, Rockstars only exist if they got woke, like Henry Rollins.
Jack White's a rock star.
Jack White is a rock star.
Yeah, but he changed his last name, so is he really?
I like I get the silhouette. The light coming down.
Really? That's Shaw Heights.
So you kind of always shooting back.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
they're pretty, right?
Wow. Aww. Ooh, I like that one.
Yeah.
I love black and white too.
I know. Me too.
Wow. It just takes the photos just like that. Wow.
Yeah. That's why I really liked about it is because it like just dialed in the settings,
I'm gonna redo the green room.
and then you don't have to edit it a ton because it just you get the contrast right in the while you're shooting it, and then it yeah, it makes really pretty pictures.
After a month and a half of it stopping all the other issues we had, like people not hearing the show, the comments get pissed because they can't fucking, our audience can't hear shit. Yeah, new monitors, new everything. Nice. Good.
Get a picture of the zine.
The what?
The zine by Mike Capolino. Woo! Lights are pretty now. Get you lounging. Yeah, damn, this light's nice. Oh, it's fucking Oren. Oren B, host of the open mic we're all waiting to go up at. This family. Hi, Oren.
Hey, how's it going? Nice.
Nice.
Together. There he is. Did you get a haircut? Hey, Me? No. You look like you got a haircut. No, it's just.
I got a
It's
haircut.
falling out. It's just like falling out.
jacket.
How'd you clean it? It's too much spread. Did you clean your? It got cut with spread. Yeah.
Hey, there you go. Hey, do you want to scribble that down right here?
Sick.
There's a hole.
Yeah, I was not a good one.
Oh yeah, vape pen. How do you feel about vape pens?
Yeah. It's a great way to hide your drug finger. They didn't want to have needs. Sure. So they piled by the grave. That's why they did it. That's a sick back patch.
Yeah. Oh, this must be shitty headphones.
I wanted him right in the middle of the street, but I got on both sides. Damn.
Saving grace of being poor and paranoid is knowing government can't identify you from your dental records.
Yeah. Well, I picked a good day to file my nails for once. You got a picture, and my fucking hand's probably in it.
Yeah.
And I did that. I got over that, and I did it. And now look, I'm a star.
Yeah, get your nails
Yeah, get
up.
those nails
Let's show those nails.
Manny Petty.
Yeah, babe, let me pay you now.
Yeah, paint. Let Gil paint your nails.
What do I get out of my nails being painted?
Beauty.
Let me paint them.
Customers get less upset about the unseasoned chicken tenders.
Is that your number one complaint at the Improv?
No, it's just the one I'm hung up on because this lady acted like, I fucking make the chicken. Yeah. She's like, oh, this is unseasoned chicken tenders. I'm like, well, most people dip those.
Yeah, it's
Something
gross.
hella flavor.
Tenders are not that great.
No, you know what? And I wouldn't eat the Improv food. Okay? I probably shouldn't say that out loud. But I would stay away from it. Not because of health reasons, because of, I don't think they, yeah, maybe that lady was right. Are we waving?
Evan and Julia.
And like freeze everything right now. What would you do in this immediate area?
Yeah, you had like maybe 15 minutes.
Oh,
Yeah.
freeze time?
Yeah. So you only got 30 seconds.
I mean,
I would kick that trash.
Really?
You can do that.
Hi, Jeff.
Hi.
Look, we're in the movie. Smile for the movie.
Smile for the movie.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great.
Six shoes.
How are you?
I'm well. How are you?
Good.
It's a really nice jacket.
Thank you. That's Julia's.
Oh my gosh. Of course it is.
We should get one of Evan picking us nose.
Yeah.
See us?
Wow. Let's get a macro shot of you. Hold on.
Make sure people can see my cavities too.
Yeah. Wow, that's
beautiful.
That's what we'll close on right there. That's great.
Oh, that's all I ever want. New headshot.
Yeah, I suppose that's
New headshot.
New
that's the
headshot.
most
Yeah.
neutral content.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah.
You're outside. Okay.
See you inside. I'm actually gonna close on just a little trash can lid that you would fix. Just taking pics.
it's just the way that you do it. It's the look in your eye when you're doing it. Like you're taking something from it.
Oh yeah, there's some whoever it is believes you take a little bit of the soul.
And I'm like, fuck
Thank you for your soul.
I want to get into that lab.